Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural cures. Let's explore what they are, some popular options, and important things to consider before giving them a try. But first, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Also, give this video a like and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Natural cures, also known as natural remedies or herbal medicines, are therapeutic treatments derived from natural sources like plants, minerals, and even some animal products. For thousands of years, people around the world have relied on these remedies to treat illnesses and promote well-being. Today, many people use natural remedies as a complementary or alternative approach to conventional medicine. Let's look at some popular natural remedies. First, herbal remedies. Herbs have been the foundation of traditional medicine for centuries. These are the most common type of natural cure. Different herbs offer different health benefits. For example, licorice root is known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Slippery elm can help with digestive issues and sore throats. Red clover is often used to support hormonal balance. You can consume herbal medicine in various forms like teas, capsules, tinctures, and topical applications. Next, aromatherapy. This practice involves using essential oils extracted from plants to improve physical and emotional health. Essential oils are concentrated and aromatic compounds found in plants. Some, like tea tree oil, have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Others, like lavender and peppermint, are used for relaxation or to relieve headaches. Aromatherapy can be done by inhaling the scent of the oils or through massage or bath. Acupuncture is another popular natural cure. This practice comes from traditional Chinese medicine. During acupuncture, thin needles are inserted into specific points on the body to balance the flow of energy or qi. Practitioners believe that illness or pain occurs when there is an imbalance in the flow of qi. Acupuncture is often used to manage chronic pain, stress, digestive disorders, and other health conditions. Nutritional and dietary supplements are also used as natural cures. These include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, and probiotics. Some supplements are well known, like vitamin C for immune function and skin health, or vitamin D for bone health. However, it's important to remember that supplements should not replace a balanced diet. Next, home remedies. These are simple, easily accessible treatments that have been used for generations. Using honey for sore throats or coughs due to its antimicrobial properties is an example. Ginger tea is often used to ease nausea and aid digestion. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe sore throats and infections. Lastly, lifestyle changes. While not a specific remedy, making sustainable lifestyle changes is one of the most powerful approaches to improving health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, stress management techniques like meditation or yoga, and getting enough sleep can work wonders for overall health and well-being. Before using any natural remedy, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First, safety. Natural doesn't always mean safe. The quality, potency, and purity of natural remedies can vary. Some remedies may cause allergic reactions or other side effects. Look for products from reputable brands and always do a patch test before applying anything topically or ingesting any new substance. Second, potential drug interactions. Natural remedies can interact with prescription medications. This can either reduce the effectiveness of the medication or cause harmful side effects. Always tell your doctor or pharmacist about any natural remedies or supplements you're taking. Third, effectiveness. The effectiveness of natural remedies can vary greatly. Some remedies are backed by scientific research, while others are based on anecdotal evidence. Be cautious of products making big claims without any scientific support. And lastly, consult a professional. Before beginning any new natural remedy, it's best to speak with a healthcare provider. It can help evaluate the safety of the remedy, check for potential drug interactions, and recommend the right dosage and reliable brands. Remember, while natural cures can be a great addition to your health toolkit, they should be used responsibly and with proper guidance. When used wisely, natural remedies can complement conventional medicine, helping you on your path to better health and well-being. Did you find this video informative? Tell us in the comments below. And if you liked it, don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay healthy with Go for natural cures.